So we have seen that. So let me open this, like 5 dot methods give all the methods of the integer values, and 5.5 dot methods give all the values methods of the decimal object. So let us write a small program so that whether user want the methods of the integer or decimal or string or a proc, he will decide. And so for that, let us puts 1 for integer methods. Let me copy this, paste it here, paste it here, paste it here, and 2 for, let us say, string methods, and let us say 3 for float methods or decimal methods, and let us say proc methods 4. Now let us say num is equal to gets dot to, not like okay, gets dot to I. Now if condition, if number is equal to 1, so if a is equal to 5, give any integer, doesn't matter, and b is equal to a dot methods, and puts the method b, enter. Else if number is equal to 2, now let us write same thing. A is equal to, give any string, this time any string, doesn't matter, because we are getting it as a object, a dot methods. Now puts b, same thing repeat, else if number is equal to 3. So third one is, let us give some decimal value, anything you can give, doesn't matter. Now get these methods all into a dot methods and puts b. Else if condition, last one is equal to, let us say 4. Now a should be proc, and create a empty proc, it doesn't matter. B is equal to a dot methods puts b. Else if the user entered any other number, puts try again, end, only one end. And now wait for the cursor, save the file, and now go to your file and let us open it. Open the file, see, 1 for integer methods, 2 for, 3 for, 4 for. Let us print the proc methods first, 4, and enter. So these are all the proc methods. So yield, you see, yield is a proc method. Like this we can close it and again open the file, this time give integer. So these are all the integer methods. Like this you can write a simple program using Ruby according to your requirement. So every time we are closing and again opening, instead of that you can keep it in a loop, That is your assignment. Keep it in a loop so that until the user press the 5, the window should not close. Hope you understood. It is a small example. So meet in the next video with another topic again.